Runoff and erosion. So this is actually a set of indicators that are not currently included in the soil health assessment protocol with NRCS, but NRCS does use these indicators extensively, particularly on rangelands, but they're equally useful on croplands. First one is water flow patterns. And again, what we're looking for here is after a rainstorm, you'll notice that the surface of the soil often looks different. And the reason it looks different is because water has flowed across the surface. If water has not flowed across the surface, you're not going to see much change. Okay? But if it has, you'll actually see the patterns that have been created by water flowing. Kind of like if you go to a dry riverbed, you'll see those patterns. And again, in the question mark text, there's a good description of what each of those mean when it says none, rare, common, etc. Rills. Rills are basically those small linear channels, not as big as a gully, but like a mini gully, okay, that are formed when you get erosion and it's starting to cut down through the soil. And finally, gullies are those large incisions in the soil that we really don't like to see, that indicate that there's been some pretty significant amount of erosion going on, obviously, but also that you're losing a lot of water because it takes a lot of energy to cut gullies. So those three indicators are a good indication of whether you're keeping water on the landscape, soaking it in for the crops to grow, the plants to grow, or whether it's running off and going someplace else.